Hey guys, it's Onyxangel, and today we're doing two things. Number one, showing you how to open up the Thermaltake level 10 GT computer case, which is pretty complex to open if you if you don't read the instructions.
No, it's not that complex.
Well, it can be. And we're also going to put in my new RAM in my computer. So we'll go ahead and get started. So first, you have a key, which is that right there. There's actually two that come in with the case. I suggest putting the spare up somewhere else. And
And you have to have the fluffy keychain attached.
don't buy the fluffy keychain. I'm a keychain collector. It's the first one I grabbed. So
Okay.
there's a says system security lock. Stick the key in. And you turn it. And there you go. And then, where the arrow is on the bottom.
Ejection arrow.
Yeah, it's the eject arrow. There's a little button right there. And you push that in. And ta-da! And look, you have a nice awesome case opened.